What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to drop off the Dodge Challenger GT V6. Just wanted to let you guys know that the truck is almost done. And that's the reason, or the whole reason why I had the Dodge Challenger in the first place. It was a rental. I said that in the first video that I brought out to you guys, showing you guys this car. The truck is getting the right passenger side front fender fixed. I showed you guys, or I told you guys why. But another video for you guys here real quick. There's one thing that I didn't like about the Dodge Challenger, and I know this is going to be picky, so don't cream me in the comments. I know this is a sports car, so I know this is just a picky thing, so don't cream me in the comments too bad here. But this is what I don't like: the cup holders. So I got my Starbucks sitting right there. Now if I was to drive the car in manual mode, which is move this gear shifter to the left like this, you see what I just did there? I had to reach over my drink to do that, or I would have to do this and cock my arm this way, and my hand is going to the right like this to move that over. And then when I go to shift, my arm is like this and not sitting on the armrest straight how it usually would comfortably. Even if I move the drink over to here, I'm still not that comfortable. I still have the drink kind of sitting on the right portion of my wrist here. So that's one thing that I don't like about the Dodge Challenger interior, is just the cup holders right there. I would say they could have maybe tried something in putting a cup holder here, but then again, they would only have one cup holder there. Then somebody could, I guess, make the argument of, wow, this car only has one cup holder in the center console over here. And they do have door cup holders as well. So there's one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side over there. But again, guys, that's just me being picky. Something that I found in this Dodge Challenger that I didn't like, because I liked driving this car in the manual mode like it is right now. But if I had a drink here, which most people don't, who drive sports cars, don't have drinks in their cars, which is also another reason of why they just go ahead and put it in inconvenient spots like that, because they know sports car drivers really care about the interiors of their cars just as much as the outside, and they're not going to have a whole bunch of drinks in their car unless they're maybe going on a road trip or something like that, or just occasionally having a drink in the car. So it's not a huge deal, which is why I said what I said in the beginning of the video, is that I know it's just a picky thing. And that's just one thing that I did not like about the Dodge Challenger. Everything else I pretty much liked about this car. The color was nice. The black racing stripe is nice. Driving the car, it's very comfortable to drive. Like I said in the other videos, in my opinion, I did slightly agree with everybody else who drives this car for the first time and what their first impression is I do think this car is kind of a boat, but you kind of get used to it. I will say I'm a little used to it right now, so that's why I said I was kind of on the fence about if it was actually a boat or not, driving it and it looking almost like a boat, being so wide and fat. And this is just a regular body style, and when you get into the wide body ones, they're even wider, obviously, hence the name wide body. And guys, that's the only thing that I didn't really like about the car. Everything else I pretty much liked, other than obviously it's just a rental, so it's just a V6. It's not a Scat Pack or a Hellcat or Hellcat Red Eye or a Drag Pack or anything like that. Just with a V8, it's just a regular 3.6 V6 GT. So it's not something that's going to throw your head back in the seat when you're getting on it. It's something that's you can have a little bit of fun with, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing something different on the channel. So make sure you, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.